Hi there and welcome to my latest modular board plan. Now this is going to be the ruined city of Osgiliath, but modular. And this is the plan I've come up with, and I've been working on this plan for, I reckon, 9 months, 10 months. Trying to work out why it makes sense for it to be modular, because why not just have lots of different ruined buildings? You know, you've got all the different Osgiliath ruin sets, and why not just use them? Why is it modular? Now the reason for having a modular board is that because of height variation and variation in how the board is set up itself. So this is what I've come up with. So instead of 16 1-foot square boards, as almost all of my other boards have been, or sometimes 24 1-foot square boards, I'm going to have 8 2-foot by 1-foot boards, and this is the plan I've got here. So you're going to have sections which are base level, which are these ones here, and you have sections here, which this is going to be maybe 30 mil high, and this one's going to be 50 mil high. I don't know how close that is. This isn't to scale, and these ones are going to be split in half, so that you could have it be like that or whatever. You can see how the variations begin to form. So you could have this as a high central thing like that. You could have these on the edges, and then you could have these like that. And there's going to be stairs and walkways and bridges and archways and stuff like that, so it all kind of makes sense together. So you may be wondering what's with the holes. So what I've decided is that in each, so this is what a board might normally have looked like with me, just some detail on there, whatever. There's going to be a top layer on each one, which is going to be made out of 10 mil foam. Now cut into this 10 mil foam is going to be 2 different sized holes, and these are going to be the footprint for bits of scatter terrain. So it's going to be, I think maybe one's going to be 4 inches square, one maybe slightly bigger, or it might be more rectangular. But the point is that you're going to have all these different building footprints or terrain footprints, and let's say you had a watchtower. Well, that could go there, or it could go down there, and you could have a building that can go here, but equally that same building could go down here or in one of the holes there, or maybe I've made one that's just a flat piece. Maybe that's a fountain, maybe that's a, whatever. I'm going to create all sorts of different bits of scatter terrain which have the same footprint. So not only can you change the position of these by just moving these around into different orientations, you can also change the building type or terrain type that's on there. So sometimes so for example, this sometimes could have just flat pieces in it, so it's kind of open ground. Sometimes it could be a well-populated area with lots of buildings and stuff going on. So that is the plan that I have come up with. I'm quite excited about it, to be perfectly honest, because it has been a long time in the making. And I think the setup I'm most excited about seeing in the flesh is having this high bit at one corner, this half height bit at another corner, and then these here like this, because what I will be doing is creating a bridge between there and there, and I think that's going to give play to all sorts of awesome scenarios. So that is the plan for the Osgiliath modular board. I'll see you in the next video, where I will be diving into how this is going to be made. So catch you then.